Let's look at instantaneous rate of change, and along with that we will also see the secant line equation and the tangent line equation. Secant line between 2 points and tangent line at a particular point on a curve. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. Y is equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 2, and we have to figure out the instantaneous rate of change at x equal to minus 1. Okay, so remember, instantaneous rate of change, for that we need to figure out the derivative dy by dx, and we use the rule of if y is equal to x to the power of n, then dy by dx is equal to nx n minus 1, right? And we also know the rules of addition, subtraction and all that. So here, what will be the dy by dx? We do it individually for all these. So this will be 4x 2 minus 1 plus 2 times x 1 minus 1. 1 comes down and 1 gets subtracted. And this would be 0. So this would be 4x plus 2. So this is the equation of the slope of the given curve at any given point for x. So at x equal to minus 1, what will it be? The slope. dy by dx is nothing but the slope. So slope would be equal to, we just do the substitution, 4 times minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. So that's our first problem. Second problem, y is equal to x square minus 1. And we have to figure out the slope or instantaneous rate of change at x equal to 0. So first let's figure out the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 0. Okay. And slope at x equal to 0 would be 2 times 0, which is 0. So the slope will be 0. Third one, y is equal to minus 2x cubed minus 2x plus 3. And again we have to figure out at x equal to 0 the slope or the instantaneous rate of change. So dy by dx is equal to minus 6x square minus 2. So the slope at x equal to 0, slope is nothing but the instantaneous rate of change. So at x equal to 0, it would be minus 6 times 0 minus 2, which is equal to 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. Okay. Fourth one, y is equal to minus 2x square plus x plus 1. And we have to figure out the instantaneous rate of change at x equal to minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 4x plus 1. And slope at x equal to minus 1 would be minus 4 times minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1, which is 5. Fifth one, y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. And we have to figure out the instantaneous rate of change at x equal to minus 3. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1, and the slope at x equal to minus 3 would be 2 times minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to minus 5. Sixth one, y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. And we have to figure out the instantaneous rate of change at x equal to minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x plus 2, and at x equal to minus 2 it would be 4 times minus 2 cube plus 6 times minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 times minus 8 minus 12 plus 2, which is minus 32 minus 10, which is minus 42. Okay, seventh one. And now we shift. What we have to figure out is the equation of the tangent at minus 1 comma 2 of this curve. So we have to find the tangent line at given point. Okay, so first we have to figure out the slope. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 0, which is equal to 2x. Now slope at minus 1 x value, minus 1 is equal to 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. And now we figure out the tangent line. To figure out the tangent line, we require a point and the slope. So slope we already have. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, which implies y minus y1 is 2 is equal to slope is minus 2 x minus minus 1, this minus 1. Okay, so now it's just a question of simplifying. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 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 3 times, so minus 1. No, not minus 1, minus 2. And this becomes y is equal to minus 2x minus 2 plus 2, which implies y is equal to minus 2x. So this is the equation of the tangent line at minus 1 comma 2 on the curve. Okay, 8 1, y is equal to 1 by x plus 3 is the curve that is given to us, the function that is given to us. And we are given a point. And we have to figure out the tangent line at this point. So y is equal to, we can write this as x plus 3 minus 1. So dy by dx would be minus 1, we bring it in front, x plus 3 minus 1 minus 1, so minus 2, which can be written as minus 1 by x plus 3 square. And the slope, that is m, at minus 1, x equal to minus 1, is going to be minus 1 by minus 1 plus 3 square, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 square, which is minus 1 by 4. So we have a point and we have the slope. Let's write the equation of the tangent line. So y minus y1. So y1 is half. So half is equal to, slope is minus 1 by 4 times x minus the x value, which is minus 1. So y minus half is equal to minus 1 by 4x. Minus times minus times minus is minus 1 by 4. y is equal to minus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4x. Half minus quarter is quarter. So plus 1 by 4. So this is the equation of the tangent line at that given point on the curve. Okay, ninth one, y is equal to 1 by x plus 1. And we have to figure out the tangent line at the given point. Okay, so just to simplify this, let's write it, let's to make it easier to evaluate x plus 1 to the power of minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 times x plus 1 minus 1 that is minus 2. So this becomes minus 1 by x plus 1 square. This is the slope, a general equation of the slope on the curve. So at x equal to 0, the slope is minus 1 by 0 plus 1 square, which is minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. Okay, so now we have the slope and we have a point. Okay, so equation of the tangent line is y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the slope times x minus 0. So 0 comes from here and this 1 comes from here. Now simplify. Y minus 1 equal to minus x. So y is equal to minus x plus 1. That is the equation of the tangent at 0, 1 on the given curve. Okay, 10th one. Y is equal to 1 by x plus 2 at minus 1 comma 1. We have to find the tangent. Okay, so dy by dx. Now by this time you might have realized that when we take it up the exponent becomes minus 1, right? So minus 1 becomes minus 2 and we bring it down again. So it basically the exponent increases by 1, but that minus comes here. So minus 1 by x plus 2 square. The more you practice, you will realize that most of the things you can do it in your mind itself. So at minus 1, x equal to minus 1, slope is minus 1 by minus 1 plus 2 square, which is minus 1 by 1 square, which is minus 1. Okay, so we have the slope, we have the point. So which means the tangent line would be y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 times x minus minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to minus x and minus 1. Y is equal to minus x minus 1 plus 1. So y is equal to minus x is the tangent line at minus 1 comma 1. Okay, 11th one. Y is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 1. And we have to find the tangent at 0, 1. So dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 2. So slope at x equal to 0 is going to be 4 times 0 minus 2, which is equal to 0 minus 2, which is minus. So we have the slope minus 2 and we have the point. So the tangent would be y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 times x minus 0. So y minus 1 equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay, 12th one. Y is equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 1. And we have to find the tangent at 0, 2. So dy by dx is equal to 4x plus 2. Slope at x equal to 0 will be 4 times 0 plus 2, which is 2. So we have the slope, we have the point. So the tangent line would be y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, now let's complicate this a little bit further. In the sense, we have a curve or a function minus 2x square plus x minus 2, and we are given 2 points 0 comma minus 2 and 1 by 3 comma minus 17 by 9. What we have to do is the secant line between these 2 points and the tangent line at this point. So secant line between these 2 points and tangent line on this point. So to make sure we uh, don't make a mistake, let's write it as y1 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to minus 17 by 9, x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now the slope between these 2 points, so let's say m is equal, so between these 2 points the slope would be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 is minus 17 by 9 minus minus 2 by x2 minus x1. So 1 by 3 minus 0, which is equal to minus 17 by 9 plus 2 by 1 by 3, which is equal to minus 17 plus 18 by 9 times 3. So 3 threes. So this becomes 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the slope between these 2 points, right? Okay. So now the secant line would be y. We can take any one of these 2 points minus minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 is the slope, x minus 0. So here we have used x1 and y1. So now simplify. Y plus 2 equal to 1 by 3x. Y is equal to 1 by 3x minus 2. So that is the equation of the secant line between those 2 points on the curve. Now the tangent line at which point? At the first point, that is 0 comma minus 2. Tangent line at 0 comma minus 2. Okay. So again, for this also what do we require? We require the slope at that particular point, which is nothing but the instantaneous rate of change. So which means dy by dx of the curve. So curve is minus 2x square plus x minus 2. So the dy by dx would be minus 4x plus 1. So minus 4x plus 1. And the slope at x equal to 0 would be minus 4 times 0 plus 1, which is 1. So we have the slope and we have a point. So the tangent line would be y minus minus 2 is equal to 1 times x minus 0. So y plus 2 is equal to x, y is equal to x minus 2. So this is the tangent line and this is the secant line. Secant line is between 2 points and tangent line is at a particular point. Okay, so that is 13th. 14th. Y is equal to minus x square minus x plus 1. And the points given to us are 2 comma minus 5 and 9 by 4 comma minus 101 by 16. Don't get worried about these seemingly large fractions, right? Just start off, and we have to figure out the secant line between these 2 points, and we have to figure out the tangent line at this point. Okay, so first let's look at the secant line. So y1 is equal to minus 5, y2 is equal to minus 101 by 16, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 9 by 4. Now slope between these 2 points is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that gives us minus 101 by 16 minus minus 5 by x2 minus x1. Now let's simplify this. Minus 101 plus minus into minus plus, it becomes 16 fives 80 by 16 divided by 9 minus 8 is 1 by 4. Now 108 minus 80, 101 minus 101 plus 80 is minus 21 by 16 times 4. So 4 fours 16. So the slope between these 2 points is minus 21 by 4. So we have 2 points and we have a slope. Choose any one point and the slope, and we can write the secant line equation. So y minus y1, let's say. So that is minus 5 is equal to minus 21 by 4 times x minus x1. X1 is 2. So y1 was minus 5, x1 is 2. So y plus 5 is equal to minus 21 by 4x plus plus 2 2's. So these two cancellations will happen and it will become 21 by 2. Now y is equal to minus 21 by 4x plus 21 by 2 minus 5, which gives us minus 21 by 4x plus 21 minus 10 by 2, which gives us y is equal to minus 21 by 4x plus 11 by. So this is the equation of the secant line. Now tangent line at 2 comma minus 4. So first we have to figure out the slope. Now slope of tangent would be dy by dx, which is equal to, now what is the function given to us? Minus x square minus x plus 1. So this would be minus 2x minus 1. So dy by dx would be minus 2x minus 1. So the slope at x equal to 2 would be minus 2 times 2 minus 1, which is minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. So our equation of the tangent would be y minus minus 5 is equal to minus 5 times x minus 2. So y plus 5 is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Y is equal to minus 5x plus 10 minus 5 is plus 5. So that is the equation of the tangent line. Now let's do the 15th one. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 2. And the points given are minus 2 comma minus 1 by 4 and minus 5 by 3 and minus 3 by 11. We have to figure out the secant line and the tangent line at this point. Okay. So now y1 is equal to minus 1 by 4, y2 is equal to minus 3 by 11, x1 is equal to minus 1 by 4, and x2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. No, this is not 1 by 4, it is minus 2. So you have to be very careful while writing this. Okay, so the slope between these 2 points is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to minus 3 by 11 minus minus 1 by 4 by minus 5 by 3 minus minus. Now simplify. Minus 3 by 11 plus 1 by 4 by minus 5 by 3 plus 2, which is equal to minus 12 plus 11 by 44 divided by minus 5 plus 6 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 44 times 3 by 1. So the slope is minus 3 by 44. So we have the slope and we have 2 points. We can choose any one point. So our secant line would be y minus minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 44, the slope, x minus minus 2. Okay, this gives us y plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 44 x minus minus minus, so minus, let's actually leave it as 6 by 44. So y is equal to minus 3 by 44 x minus 6 by 44 minus 1 by 4, which implies y is equal to minus 3 by 44 x minus 6 minus 4 11s 44. So 11 by 44, which gives us y is equal to minus 3 by 44 x minus 17 by 40. So that is the secant line connecting those 2 points. Now the tangent line. Tangent at minus 2 comma minus 1 by 4. So again, which means we require the slope. So dy by dx is going to be equal to, now what is the function? 1 by x minus 2. So we know this is going to be minus 1 by x minus 2 square, and the slope at x equal to minus 2 would be minus 1 by minus 2 minus 2 square, which is equal to minus 1 by minus 4 square, which is equal to minus 1 by 16. So we have a point, we have the slope. So the tangent line equation would be y minus minus 1 by 4 is equal to the slope minus 1 by 16 times x minus minus 2. So y plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 16x minus minus minus, so plus, no sorry, minus 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 minus, let's leave it as 16 in the denominator, let's not do cancellation, so 2 by 16. So y is equal to minus 1 by 16x minus 2 by 16 minus 1 by 4. So we get y is equal to minus 1 by 16x minus 2 minus 4 fourths, so 4 by 16, which gives us minus 1 by 16x minus 6 by 16. 2 3 to 8. So that gives us y is equal to minus 1 by 16x minus 3 by, okay. Next, 16th one. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. And the points given us 0, comma, minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 minus 4 by 11. We have to find the secant line and we have to find the tangent at this. Okay. So y1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Y2 is equal to minus 4 by 11. X1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so slope between these 2 points is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to minus 4 by 11 minus minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 4 minus 0, which gives us minus 4 by 11 plus 1 by 3 by 1 by 4, okay, which gives us minus 12 plus 11 by 33 times 4, which gives us minus 4 by 30. Okay, now the secant line. We have a slope and we have a point. So y minus y1. So y1 is minus 1 by 3 is equal to slope minus 4 by 33 times x minus 0. So here we have taken y1 and x1. Okay, so this gives us y plus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 33x, which gives us y is equal to minus 4 by 33x minus 1 by 3. Okay, that was the secant line. Now the tangent line, tangent at 0, comma minus 1 by 3. Now y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. So which means dy by dx is going to be minus 1 by x minus 3 square. And at x equal to 0, the slope would be minus 1 by 0 minus 3 square, which is minus 1 by minus 3 square is 9. So minus 1 by 9 is the slope. So we have a point, we have the slope. So the tangent line would be y minus minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 9, the slope, times x minus 0. So y plus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 9x, and y is equal to minus 1 by 9x minus 1 by, that's the equation of the tangent line. 17th one, y is equal to 2x square minus 1. The points given are 0, comma minus 1 and 1 by 3, comma minus 7 by 9. We have to find the secant line between these 2 points and we have to figure out the tangent line at this point. So y1 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to minus 7 by 9, x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So first we have to figure out the slope. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 minus 7 by 9 minus minus 1 by 1 by 3 minus 0, which gives us minus 7 by 9 plus 1 by 1 by 3, which gives us minus 7 plus 9 by 9 times 3. So 3 threes. So the slope would be 2 by 3. Okay, so we have the slope between these 2 points. We pick up one point and write the secant line equation. So secant line would be y minus y1, that is minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3, the slope, times x minus 0, which implies y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3x, and it implies y is equal to 2 by 3x minus 1. So that is the secant line. Now the tangent line. Tangent line at 0 comma minus 1. So the slope of the tangent is going to be dy by dx, which is equal to the function itself is what? 2x square minus 1. So that is going to be 4x. And at x equal to 0, it will be 4 times 0, which is 0. So slope is 0. So therefore, the equation of the tangent would be y minus minus 1 is equal to 0 times x minus 0. So y plus 1 is equal to 0, which means y is equal to minus 1. Okay, finally, the 18th one. Y is equal to x square plus 2. And the points given are minus 2, comma 6 and minus 5 by 3, comma 43 by 9. Okay, y1 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to 43 by 9. X1 is equal to minus 2, x2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. And remember the same regular thing. We have to find the secant line between these two and the tangent at minus 2, comma 6. Okay, so m, the slope between these 2 points is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to 43 by 9 minus 6 by minus 5 by 3 minus minus 2, which is equal to 43 minus 9, 654 by 9 by minus 5 by 3 plus 2, which gives us 43 minus 54 is going to be minus 11 by 9, okay, times 3 by here it will be 3 to 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 threes, which gives us minus 11 by 3 as the slope between those 2 points. So the secant line would be y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 6. M is minus 11 by 3, x minus x1. X1 is minus 2. So y minus 6 equal to minus 11 by 3, x minus 22 by 3 plus 6. So y is equal to minus 11 by 3x minus 22 plus 18, right? Minus 22 plus 18 will give us minus 4 by 3. So this is the equation of the secant. Now what about tangent at minus 2 comma 6? So slope is equal to dy by dx, and dy by dx of x square plus 2 is 2x. Slope at x equal to minus 2 is 2 times minus 2, which is equal to minus 4. So that equation would be y minus 6 is equal to minus 4 times x minus minus. So y minus 6 equal to minus 4x minus h. Y is equal to minus 4x minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. So that is instantaneous rate of change. And as part of that, we looked at how to arrive at the tangent line, and just additionally we also looked at secant lines one more. That's it. Bye.